Hello, welcome to Saturday Sampler 2021, month 8. We are getting close to the end. This month we're doing 2 blocks that are pieced the same, but they have different colors. This is block 2 in our program and block 3 in our program. They will both end up being the same size in the end, 18.5 inch assembled and 18.5 inch assembled. You're going to want to watch really carefully how you cut your fabric and label your fabric. It is just 2.5 inch strips and squares, and the same for this one, 2.5 inch strips and squares, but you'll see because the colors vary, they'll have very different looks. Again, when you go to the website, you'll find the cutting sheet here, and it's going to show you what you need to cut for both blocks. Now you're going to need to be very careful because there's a lot of fabric in each one of these blocks, and some of these pieces will go to one block and some of them will go to another block, and you'll have another resource online this month. Go ahead and look at that. It will help you know which one of these pieces goes to which block. So right now we have our mise en place. We have everything cut out, ready to go for block 2.